Scientists unite to resolve vengi in this fight together.
Welcome to the first Java tutorial. This is a language I hold fully to my heart because it's the first language that I've ever learned. Now, this has a bit of a bad reputation. People kind of call it hard, but I feel like programming in any language is possible. It is understandable as long as you understand the concepts of what programming is, what the core principles behind, especially object-oriented programming. So we're going to do a quick hello world introduction to programming, introduction to the Java language. So I'm going to ask you to have to follow along as I'm going to explain once we're done. So firstly, we're going to make what is called a class, and we're going to give our class a name. So we're going to explain what these terms like public mean, what a class is in the first place. But for now, we're going to give it a name. Let's just call it. So we're going to use our curly braces to show what is inside our class. Now the first thing we're going to do is make the main method. For now, don't worry about what the meaning of these terms mean. We're going to explain in future videos. But generally, these terms, this main what this is called a method, and this has to be there in all codes that you run. This is actually the piece of code that your code defaults to when it runs, when it starts running. So how do we print something on screen in Java? We do so by using the term System.out.println. Then you write what you want it to print. Let's say you want it to print hello world. Then we have to terminate our statement using the semicolon. Then run. So as we wrote there, it's just going to run hello world. So what it did is it first went into this piece of code, the main code, then it does what is inside that code. And this code contains hello world. So I'd like you to just see that if I change the name of, let's say I say not main. If I change the name of this function, I'm going to have an error, main method not found. So whenever you write the program, there has to be a function that is named main. And Java is case sensitive, so the main, even if the main is written like this, there is going to be an error. It's going to main method not found. So there is going to be an error. So it's going to go through this main function, hello world. So that's a basic script of what to do Java. So this was just a quick introduction to Java. Java is a very useful language, one of the most useful out there. It was famous mainly for Android applications, for desktop applications. It's one of the most useful languages you find out there. So thank you for watching.